I wanna review my ductless split AC by MRCOOL after using it over a year, and I will also show you how to clean the filters for regular maintenance in the end. I have this installed to my Airbnb rental studio. It's for heating, cooling, it's a dehumidifier and also has a fan function. Everything is in just one compact system. I don't know why I don't see more people using this. It's very commonly used in Europe and probably the other part of the world as well. Let me show you the studio is serving to. My split AC is 18,000 BTU and this space is about 450 square feet. MRCOOL split AC is the only means of cooling this space and it does an excellent job in the summertime. In terms of heating, I have these radiator pipes running across the ceiling and have my furnace behind this door. These pipes do help, but without the split AC unit, there is no way I can get an adequate heating in this place. Even in the harshest winter we had this year, this place stays so warm and cozy, none of my tenants complain whatsoever. Everything is controlled by this remote, or you can use your phone if you activate the Wi-Fi connection. I am not using that function since my tenant stays here, not me. It's a straightforward remote, easy to understand and use, but I want to point out something here. I saw that some people had mold and mildew growth issue inside the unit. It actually has this self-cleaning button to avoid that. What it does is you only use it with cooling function and it dries out any moisture exists inside the unit. Very useful to keep it safe, mold free. So use that. If you don't have moist, you don't have mold. By the way, I forgot to mention, it's extremely quiet. You can't hear anything while it's on. Unlike those window units, oh, they drive me nuts. But the best thing about this system is it's ductless. You don't have to worry about those ducts running through your walls and ceilings, that they are messy and costly and invasive. This unit is as efficient but much easier to install and much cheaper. All you need is a less than 4 inches diameter hole right behind the unit where the arrow shows, and that's it. Let me take you outside now to show it. Here is that hole, only the one that you have to open up for the installation. I still have to put some kind of a covering on it. And this is the drainage pipe, it drains the water out. And this line runs to the condenser that is on the other side of the house, that I will take you there right now. And this is the outside condenser unit, sits on these brackets, purchased separately. And there's no intrusion in the house at this point. The only thing is the electric outlet, only designated for the unit. And this is also very quiet. This unit condenser, you do hear some noise. You see, my neighbors Ed and Jerry says they don't hear anything, even though our houses are very close to each other. I want to show you very quickly how to clean the filters, and you need to do that regularly, and you want to take care of it if you want it to take care of you, just like anything else. Front panel opens up and lifts up. It could be sometimes tricky, there are some latches holding it up, and then there are these two filters that are filthy. Yes, I admit I haven't done my job lately. I think at least 4 months I haven't done any cleaning, maintaining this AC. So thankfully I'm doing this review so I get to clean these. It's very easy actually, just takes 5 minutes as long as I just remember to do it. And all you have to do is lift up this from this tab. You just lift it up and pull it out. Just like that. It goes all the way to the back. It's kind of like a C shape. And look at this filth. It's all picked up from the air. That's a good thing, it's cleaning the air. So I think it was more than 4 months. Now I'm thinking, I guess at least 6 months I haven't been doing any maintenance with this unit. I'm ashamed of that, but yes, I admit. And I can't even see the other side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash these in the sink and come back. Look at that, much better. All I had to do is wash it in the sink with a sprayer and shook off the excess water. That's it. And then there's this filter. It's called it's an air freshener, and you don't get to wash that, you just vacuum it. But I didn't do it because it just looked perfectly clean, and it goes in the middle of the big filter. I'm just gonna put it back and I'm done. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to give it a like. That does help me a lot, and hopefully you will get one of these for yourself. Take care for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye.